Hi, I'm Christopher O'Connor. I'm the head of segment marketing at LexisNexis. Last time we talked about the purpose of a company and the structure of a board. I'm going to pick up straight away there with the GC and the role of the legal team. So the GC typically sits on the board or very close to the board, and they're the top lawyer for a firm. They manage a broader team that deals with all the day-to-day legal issues, small and large. They typically manage outside counsel, so law firms that the company hire. But they also personally advise senior management on the most important and complex legal issues. Now, there are three factors to the role of the GC, which are changing and becoming increasingly important. Number one is risk. So this traditionally has been the main focus for in-house legal teams, and it's still really important. The primary purpose for lawyers is to make sure the company doesn't open itself up to legally risky activities. For example, getting sued, being forced to backtrack on a big decision, being forced to leave a market or divest, or being made to pay a fine, or even worse, in a criminal action against senior management. But they also have, number two, an increasingly operational role. GCs today have to manage software. They manage sometimes thousands or even more contracts, and lots of repetitive processes. So they look almost a bit like the COOs that we talked about last time. Lawyers are increasingly seen as cost lines. And because lawyers are paid a salary but don't generate revenue as they would at a law firm, efficiency is really important. And GCs need to minimize cost while still getting the job done effectively. Finally, partnering with the business. This is increasingly expected that the legal team helps the commercial staff grow the business. So they should be advising on the optimal balance of legal risk and commercial opportunity, rather than just advocating the safest route or the route that opens up the least legal risk. With their legal advice, they're expected to open up new markets, look at new acquisitions or new opportunities to grow through detailed and creative legal analysis.